Hi, do you ever get confused when to use I and when to use me? They mean the same thing, right? Well, yes and no. Today we're going to find out how to use I and me correctly. We'll make sure that you get a plenty of practice by giving you a short quiz at the end too. Are you ready? First of all, I and me are both first-person pronouns. This means you're talking about yourself. I is a subject pronoun and me is an object pronoun. Let's take a closer look at what this means. I is a subject pronoun. It is the doer of the action. This means I is the subject and it does the action in the sentence. I ride a bike. I is doing the action of riding a bike. Subject comes at the beginning of a sentence. I eat breakfast. Tim and I like to bake cookies. Me is an object pronoun. It receives the action of the sentence. John gave the apple to me. Me receives the action from John. Helen cooked for me. What is the subject? Helen, because she is doing the action. Then who is receiving the action? Me. Me here is the object pronoun receiving the action. Here's a little hint that'll help you remember. I comes before the verb, and me comes after the verb. Take a look at the next two sentences. I gave the book to Tom. I is the subject because I am doing the action. As usual, the subject comes at the beginning of the sentence before the verb. Tom gave the book to me. Here, me is the object pronoun because it receives the action. Pronoun me usually comes after the verb. Are you ready for the mini quiz? Let's see if you can get 100. Fill in the blank with me or I to complete the sentences. Can you pass blank the salt? Zhang and blank are friends. Luca gave blank flowers. Blank went to the store to get some meat. Okay, let's check. Can you pass me the salt? Zhang and I are friends. Luca gave me flowers. I went to the store to get some meat. How did you do? Let me know in the comments how you did, and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to get updates on all new videos like this. Don't forget to visit my channel to check out my other English grammar videos. Take care and see you next time!